There's really been two camps in cybersecurity. There's been prevention tools, which are things like firewalls, right? They stop bad things from getting in. And then there's been detection tools like endpoints. They detect bad things, and then you build a response plan to them. AirGap is uniquely positioned because it does both. When you get it deployed, it goes into a prevention mode, and that prevention mode says, unless you have permission to talk to my machine, you can't, which is how lateral movement ends up getting stopped by default. The prevention piece is going to stop all the unauthorized access. The switch or the response piece is going to stop authorized actions when threats increase and force us to take that machine off the network.